I am Caden Johnson 91 from Growing Up Garage, and today we're at Spirit of the Fair, and we have all of our cars here. I am so excited. So yeah, make sure you guys enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel, big thumbs up, and yeah. So over here we have our autographs. First thing we always need. Okay, and then we have the mini dwarf here, my go-kart, Kendall's go-karts, and then we have this tool setup where you guys can come learn about wrenches, ratchets, and screwdrivers. So yeah, so you have to unloop the bolt. I don't know really, I've only done it once. And then make sure you guys buy our Growing Up Garage merch. We have a brand new hat, and then we have sweatshirts, hats, shirts. So yeah, make sure you guys check that out. It's on Tech Designs. It will be in the link in the description. And yeah, make sure you guys check it out. So make sure you guys enjoy this video.